Welcome to this video on encryption, where we explore how your data stays secret and protected. Encryption is all around you. Every time you send a message, access a banking app, or visit a secure website, encryption is working to protect your data. Encryption is the process of converting readable data, called plaintext, into an unreadable form called ciphertext, so that only the intended recipient can read it. Consider a scenario where Alice wants to send a private message to Bob across the internet without encryption. The problem is that without encryption, the plaintext message is readable by anyone intercepting the traffic, including an attacker. The solution is to encrypt the message before sending it. The resulting ciphertext is gibberish to any attacker without the key. Encryption relies on two ingredients: the algorithm, a public mathematical recipe, and the key, a secret string of bits that only the sender and receiver know. Think of it like a lock. The encryption algorithm is the lock, and the secret key is the physical key that opens it to reveal the data. Based on how the key is used, encryption is categorized into two main families: symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric encryption uses one shared secret key for both locking and unlocking the data. It is very fast. The catch with symmetric encryption is how to securely share the key. If the key is intercepted during the exchange, the encryption is easily broken by an attacker. Asymmetric encryption solves the key sharing problem. It uses two mathematically linked keys, a public key shared openly and a private key kept secret. In action, Alice gets Bob's public key, encrypts her message, and sends the ciphertext. Bob uses his private key to decrypt, ensuring only he can read the message. In the real world, HTTPS uses encryption. The padlock in your browser confirms that your login details travel as unreadable ciphertext, protecting your information. End-to-end encryption used by apps like WhatsApp and Signal ensures that only Alice's and Bob's devices hold the keys. The server just relays the ciphertext and cannot read the chats. Encryption is important for privacy, keeping your data yours. It also ensures integrity, preventing silent data alteration, and authenticity, proving the sender's identity. To recap, encryption scrambles data with an algorithm and key. The two types are symmetric, which is fast but hard to share, and asymmetric, which uses public and private keys to solve sharing. Thank you for watching this video on encryption. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more networking and tech explainers.